Hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog on the CRF250, and today I'm going to ride to be a cider company for a little bike meetup between Christmas and New Year. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. And we're just coming across the Somerset levels, and apparently they're a bit boggy, because apparently you can actually ride across them from Taunton, and I've been advised not to because not 100% sure if it's legal, and also they're completely sodden, so we'll see. But I just turned the bike on this morning and I got an engine light on. I think that's just for a service, so I need to look at that. The bike's running absolutely fine. I'm going to try and stop for a photo opportunity in a minute on the levels. Just sporting my new boots. Woo! Proper adventure boots, so I can go for adventure anywhere in my new boots. So they're called the levels because they're completely and utterly flat, and I might actually just turn around and ride down one of those for a photo opportunity. That could be fun. A little track. If I get told off, I'm gonna be polite. There's these little I suppose you call them tractor access tracks, I suppose. This could be fun. If I fall off, you can all laugh at me, because it is really boggy down here and I don't really fancy falling in one of those. Oh, a bit deeper than I expected. Much deeper than I expected. And we're off. Yeah. Oh dear. We're off, but we're fine. I think we'll just turn it around for a photo opportunity. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Loads of mud. Yeah. It's all good though. Right, let's turn it around. Hopefully it starts. There you go. Good girl. Bit cocky, I think, across there. It's pissing down with rain now as well. Oh, I could do it up to there. Oh, got the tour up there. No, it's not. That's Borough Mump. I did a little video up there. You can see someone's up there Probably looking at me thinking, what a twat. Yeah, these are really boggy. Probably not best, because I don't really know where I'm going, but it was quite good fun. There we go. Let's get up on the grass here. God, it's so wet. Really wet and boggy. Oh, I see. This was a bike disappear. Oh man, muddy as hell. New gloves. I really don't want to fall off again. Got the mump in the background. And I'll get some proper rain now. But hopefully, look at the state of me, you idiot. Oh well. I think I just... It's just along here. Just being too cocky really, more than anything. And look at the wheels, look, they're all cogged up. I'm gonna... Well, that was fun. That's still recording. Oh well, good bit of footage for you all laugh at me there. Right, let's try and get back without falling off. God, it's really boggy. Confidence has been a little bit shaken there. I'm just going to ride along the grass with my arse on the seat. I see what I mean by how boggy they are. So these levels just absolutely flood. That's the problem, riding on this bit in the middle, there's nowhere to put your feet down, not going sideways, woohoo! Yeah, it's a bad idea. Probably a good idea if you're better experienced than me. But we're out now. Let all the mud fling off. I'm glad I got all my gear on, that's all I can say. Massive bit of mud stuck to my brake. Oh, hit them back. Oh, I fell off. Whoa. Oh. So look at the stay of me. Oh well. Oh, it's only a bit of mud. Oh, my engine light's gone off. I fixed it by falling off. Excellent. Can't see anything now. Oh, that was fun. But yeah, so we're on our way to the Bear Cider Company, just to basically have a bit of lunch and see some other nutters who've decided to come out today like me. Look at the river. Yeah, so so I can't believe I did that. Oh well. all mud everywhere. We'll find the jet wash. Definitely bad decision. Oh, look at the floods here. Look, let's have a good look. Let's have a good look. So this is what I mean. By flooding on the flats. Levels, not flats, levels. Well, they are flat. That's why they flood. If you look across here, look, this is normally all field and it just looks like a massive lake. All across here. Very cool. It's amazing really how it all floods in, and the wildlife loves it. And when it's really bad, the roads get covered up, and I talked about in one of my previous videos about the timber yard down the road being completely under the water. But yeah. And the beauty of this bike being so light is I could push it off me when I crashed it. I'm glad I had all my gear on when that happened. But yeah, these levels proper flood. Let's get down to this meet because I'm hungry, I'm cold, and I need a cup of tea. Lots of gates, temporary fences everywhere. You see how flooded it is. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed me falling off my bike, because that was very hilarious fun, wasn't it? And I'll catch up with you next time. Give me a subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you next time. Anyone here? Let's have a look, shall we? How many people have actually turned up for the bike meet? Da, 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 da. Got a few people by the looks of things.
Just a bit of the aftermath of falling off on the way over. Everything's fine. Just muddy. Anyway, we're here. It's quite a nice little turnout actually. A few people. Which is fantastic.